a, I, u, ru, lu, e, I, o, au.
Yeah, these are the vowels. Let us move to the consonants. Yeah, here we have Ubhayaksharalu. You can read these things also, these two also, Rani Garu.
Aha.
Yeah.
Let us just stay with the vowels for now, because then we can just keep them on that page for now.
Okay.
Is David Garo also on the line? Would you like to read this for us? I remember, Praveen Garu, you said lu is no more in use.
Yes, yes. These two letters, these two letters are not in use, so you can skip. But of course, if you learn, it's okay, but no need to practice more, so you can skip. There is a note here. These symbols, these letters are not in use, so you can skip while practicing.
Okay. So, okay, great. So let's just go back to that. Yeah, right. And is David Garu with us today?
Yes, yes, I am.
Will you be able to read this for the benefit of our new learners?
Is that the first? Okay.
Yeah, so will you explain to us what you're doing? Is there a short sound and a long sound? Tell us what's happening.
Yes. So for new learners, you will see at the top of it says and the word below you will say it in come, in come. So the other one is the second one is as in fa, e in pit, right? That's how you see. And then the next, when you see e in as in feel. So you know.
The first one is a short sound and the second one is a longer sound.
Fa, yeah.
Yeah.
For fa, b, e. The e is the bits, and then e is in feel.
As in feel.
As in feel, and then u. The u on the first vowel is u is in wood. You know, u is a quick u.
Yeah, so it's a short sound. U.
It's a short sound with that, and then the u is as in cool.
Yeah.
So the description that you see in the bottom will guide you on which time you'll use which vowel.
Yeah. So there's generally, when we're reading these vowels, there's the short sound and then there's and it's I and E. O and U.
A, I, u, ru, lu, e, I, o, au.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Baga chadivaru.
Very good. Very well read, sir. Yeah. Very good. Your previous experience with Telugu, sir, can you tell us a little bit?
No, very, very little, and I'm here, even if I just get to learn the basics for now, I'll be quite happy.
So the new members can join for reading practice after 3 weeks. Now you can still stay in the session, so you can observe how the senior members are reading. Okay, after completing the first week, second week, third week course, you can continue reading practice along with other members. Okay, so in the previous sessions we were trying to read these words, so let us continue.
Okay, I'm going to read for you, Praveen Garu, in the meanwhile, to assist you. So, Chanda Mama Rave, Jabili Rave, Kondeki Rave, Gogupulu Teve, Bandeki Rave, Banti Pulu Teve. Teru Mida Rave, Tene Pettu Teve.
It is Tene Pattu.
Tene Pattu Teve.
This is ప
Ten.
తేనె
Pa,
పట్టు.
pa, right. Tene pattu teve.
అవునండి.
Okay. అన్నిటిని తేవే అందరికి ఇవ్వవే.
అవునండి, బాగా చదివారు. ఎలుకలు.
You can continue, Kantagaru.
Okay.
Are you able to see the screen? Sorry.
I'm trying.
Okay.
ఏలుకలు,
అవునండి, కరెక్ట్.
పిల్లులు
ఎస్.
వచ్చాయి.
అవునండి. బియ్యం.
పప్పులు
ఎస్.
తెచ్చాయి.
ఎస్.
కోడి కొంగ వచ్చాయి.
ఓకే.
రోలు రోకలి
ఎస్. రోకలి.
తెచ్చాయి.
ఎస్, కరెక్ట్ అండి.
పప్పులు
ఎస్.
మెత్తగా
ఎస్.
దంచాయి.
అవునండి, కరెక్ట్.
పిండి వంటలు చేశాయి.
ఎస్, కరెక్ట్ అండి.
కోతులు
ఇట్ ఈస్ కోతుల. దిస్ ఇస్ లు.
చేశాయి.
అవునండి. పెళ్లి. దిస్ ఇస్ పెళ్లి. ఎస్.
కోతులు పెళ్లి చేశాయి.
కోతుల పెళ్లి చేశాయి. దిస్ ఇస్
కోతుల పెళ్లి చేశాయి.
అవునండి, కరెక్ట్.
కడుపు నిండా మెక్కాయి.
ఎస్, కరెక్ట్ అండి.
గౌరీ చిన్నారి గౌరీ.
ఓకే.
కొత్త సైకిలు కావాలన్నది. నాన్న సైకిలు కొన్నాడు. మెల్లిగా తొక్కాలన్నాడు.
కరెక్ట్ అండి. లెట్ us go to the next slide.
చెంగున సైకిలు ఎక్కింది. చింగున బెల్లు కొట్టింది. గౌరీ తమ్ముడు విన్నాడు. నేను వస్తానన్నాడు.
బాగా చదివారండి. Thank you for joining. We will meet in the next session.